All right, now that our Peak Prime 2.0 is fully assembled, Tim, this is exactly the way it comes, but I did get some accessories and I want to point out how to install these accessories. We got the RACKT technology system, which is basically you buy the backboard and then all the attachments come with it. So this mounts to the pre-drilled holes that are already in here. So I'm going to get this put in real quick. But there's 4 bolts that hold that in. It sits right back here, and then your rack system works. So let me get these put on, and then we'll show you how the rack system works. All right, so we have the rack backboard system all mounted in place. Again, 4 screws. You want to make sure that these little notches are up top. And so basically there's 2 different levels you can set these at. 1 or 2, top or bottom. So basically they just fit in like that. This is a regular rack. It takes 3 to go all the way across on the Peak. This is the rib rack. So kind of looking forward to using that. I'm guessing when you put it on the top one, it's kind of high. So I don't know that you want to use that rib rack on the top rack. There you go. So 2 different levels there. You got the rib rack. We're ready to grill. So this is a nice system.
Not till you prime it.
Yeah. One thing I do like about this system though is how many times do you want the drippings to go into your beans or something like that? So you can put your brisket or your pork butt up here, put your little tray of stuff you want dripped into under here. We're actually going to do that on our first cook this afternoon. We are making pork
belly pinwheels.
Pork belly pinwheels. We're going to put them up top. We're also making pork belly burnt ends, and we're going to let the drippings go into our
soup, beans, and ham.
Soup, beans, and ham. Thank you very much. There we have the rack system ready. So it's ready to prime this grill, and we're going to start cooking.